Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, and evening, or whenever this video is watched. We are from the Adventure of Dino team, and we will explain our project-based learning in this method. Firstly, I want to introduce our team and me as a group leader, and our members of the group is Aditya Marlen, Sepnita Indriani, and Farhan Maulana Ihsan. First, I want to explain about background of study. Technology is developing very fast with the development of existing technology. Batam State Polytechnic took advantage of this moment by creating project-based learning or PBL as a place for students to develop themselves by producing a product, one of which was a T-Rex, the Adventure of Dino game project. Next, I will explain about research problem. And we have a question. Number one, what is the purpose of making the Adventure of Dino game? Two, who is the target of the game, The Adventure of Dino? And three, what is the process of making a game? Next is the purpose of the study. The purpose of this study is to create a game that can be played with attractive visual featuring adorable dino character according to our target user, namely children. This game was created to fulfill the main task, namely project-based learning or PBL and related course assignments such as game programming, hardware programming, English, and system editing. Next is theoretical base. Definition. This game is a two-dimension game with the main character is Dino, who has a mission to find the treasures of his family heritage. Game type. Our game is single player and desktop-based game, and our method used to this project is Unity, Visual Studio Code, Tinkercad, Krita, and Adobe Illustrator. Next, Sepnita.
Okay, thank you, Gio. Next, I will explain about our benefit of study. Okay, the benefit of the study is that we made proof the game, The Adventure of Dino, is to provide game that can be played by children to help try motoric sensor stimulation trained with the use of controllers and train thinking skill to solve obstacle in each game and at the target user, namely children aged 6 until 12 years old. Next is our project description. Next. So our project name is The Adventure of Dino. Our project manager is Mr. Supardianto, and our project type is 2D game. The game theme is adventure, and the game main role is Dino, and our target user is children from 6 until 12 years old. Next. And next is this game is where the main character is a dinosaur who is on an adventure to find the treasure of his family history. And it will pass 6 levels: forest in level 1 and 2, beach in level 3 until 4, and cave in level 5 until 6. And the obstacle in the form of thorn, rocks, and fallen stones. And Dino must be able to arrive at the safe zone marked with a flag on condition that he has sufficient time, sufficient energy bar, and sufficient health bar to go to the next level. Star rating is given according to the key taken in each level. Next. This is our project story. Next. So this is our Gantt chart. Next. This is our history in Trello. Next. This is simple. Okay, next is our project. Next.
Okay, I'm gonna explain about it. In the game updates, we developed the menu and the exit. Next. Okay. Then we develop the setting and the level and game boss. Next. Okay. We also develop the complete and the violet when we success on the violet. Okay. Next. Okay. We add some visual story to make the user know our story in the game. Next. Okay. In the game updates, there is 3 location. The first is at the forest, the second at the beach, and the last one it is at the cave. Next. Okay. The character in this game uh, is but in the visual story there is his father. Okay. Next. Okay. Next here. Okay. Okay, there is the background of the level. As you can see, there is a forest in the level 1 until 2, the beach at level 3 until 4, and the cave at the level 5 until 6. Next. Okay, this is the platform we use. Okay, next. Okay, this is the bar that we use in the game. There is a complete, valid, setting, exit, and the bars for the player. There is a health bar and energy bar. Next. Okay, next is uh, the menu about post and level. Next. Okay, this is the treasure. Uh, you can find the treasure at the level 6, and this we use a key to make a star rating, and there is a flag to make a point that is the level is done. Okay, next. Okay, there is a foods that will give you some energy, and they will drain you the energy. Next. Okay. Uh, the next is the button. As you can see, there is an example like the retry button, next and back. Okay, next.
This is final view of controller and this working well. Okay, next. Problem and solution. Next. Problem and solution. Game development. Progress is still slow. Change of plan from the original plan. Solution. The solution come to campus improve team performance. Controller. Lack of knowledge and information in the process of working controller. Difficultly getting help in making controller from outside parties. Solution: continue to explore information in various sources, both from the internet and also related people around. Publisher have to wait for the game to finish, so it a bit constrained when working. Solution: finalizing in terms of concept and storyline, tracer video and demo video. Okay, next. Member kontribusi. Next. Team leader, developer, concept ID, storyline, storyboard, asset design, and flowchart. UI designer, background game, button, platformer, publisher, poster, application, demo video, documentation, weekly lookbook, weekly presentation, final report. Next. Developer, concept ID, UI designer, publisher, video trailer game, documentation, weekly book, weekly presentation slide, manual book. Okay, next. Developer, concept ID, UX designer, publisher, video game trailer, hardware, controller, execution. Next. Sebagai developer, concept ID, UX designer, looking for music and sound effect, hardware control execution, design manual manufacture of body controller, documentation HKI. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you.